I'd like to show you how to install the end clip on your Crow adjustment strap. The end clip is used to either keep this from coming out of the adjuster buckle if you want to put it down here, or to shorten this up if it's too long for you after you tightened it down. You take the outer portion of the end clip, which is this hollow area here with the logo on it, slide it up onto the adjuster. Take this T-bar, which you can see it's like a T, but it's a little small little nub here compared to this side. And you would take the adjustment strap and slide it through the smaller slot on the back side here. Then add this to where, or slide it to where you like it. Pass this through the larger slot, and then pass it through the outer portion of the clip. You would take this and that's the inner portion and slide it into the adjuster, and then pull on this and kind of dress this up a little bit, flatten it up, the webbing. And when you pull this and tighten this down, it'll snap over. That'll show it's closed on both sides. Wear this for a while to make sure this is where you want it by pulling and tightening. And after you decide that's where you like it, you can take a hot knife and cut this back to where you want. I will leave at least an inch or two here just in case you want to adjust it again and make it a little longer. If you need to take this off, you take a flathead screwdriver, turn it back to that smaller slot and insert it, and then leverage it up. And as you do that, you twist. That pops this little piece out. You can pop it out, adjust it again where you want it. Repeat the process by pushing this down, pushing it on, flatten this up here, and as you push it on here, grab this end and push it down tight. And that's how you do it. If you needed any more instructions, you can contact Fire Innovations.